like a pair of pliers, you know,
What for?
to pick up and move stuff around.
Careful.
See how it's all together, so the heat's see how it's all,
Compact.
yeah, bit of an air to get the heat going, and then just a tiny crack back for air, and